In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and host a tournament here in Clash Royale. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to host your very own tournament here in Clash Royale, here's how you can go ahead and get it set up. Begin by opening up Clash Royale and tapping the three lines in the top right corner. And once you get on this page right here, go ahead and click on Tournaments. Now there's going to be a create button up at the very top. Go ahead and click on that, and they're going to have a ton of different options here. Begin by naming your tournament and then writing a short description right here. After doing so, if you want to keep it private, go ahead and turn on the set password option and type in that password, and then set that player capacity right after. There's going to be a duration option. You can do this up to 4 hours long, and you can also select the game mode like Mega Draft or Duels. On top of that, you could set the level cap. That max level is going to be 14, and you can also limit the number of losses allowed. For example, it could be like 5, 3, even more, or even none. If you do want it to be visible to your clan, it will cost 10 gems though. But that's it, your tournament is ready to go. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more guides just like this. It really does help out the channel. Have a great day. Peace.